Today we'll be going over how to get potential customers into your TaskTak BMP system directly from an easy-to-make, customizable form. Scroll down on the left-hand menu to the Setup menu. Click on Leads, and then Web to Lead. From here you will want to select New Form. This will open up the various options such as how your potential customers will be entered into the system, and who will be notified. Enter the needed details. The Submit button text allows you to enter text that works best for your form such as Contact us today or simply Submit. You can change the Submit button colors to match your logo or website design. There are two options after someone submits the form. You can display a thank you message or send them to a website you'd like for them to see. By keeping this button selected, you will allow the same person to enter the form multiple times. By deselecting the button, it will prevent a duplicate submission based on one field that you can select here, or by two fields by selecting a field here. If you have the second field selected, it will only prevent someone from submitting the form if both fields match the previous submission. For instance, if the email is the same but the phone number is different, it will allow the submission. Here you can select if you'd like a task to be created for someone to check the duplicate submissions. The lead title prefix allows you to add text to the beginning of the lead's name so you can make it easier to identify the people who have been entered into the system using this form. You can add the source that the submission was made from, such as a social media website. If you don't see the source listed, you can add one by simply clicking the plus button and entering the name of the source. Once finished, click the check mark to complete the entry. The same can be followed for your status. Select someone you would like to assign to the lead. Once the form is submitted, you can select if a notification is sent to anyone by clicking this box. From here you can select who receives the notification. If you'd like one specific person or multiple people, click this option. Now select the names you would like. For entire teams with a specific role, select this option. If you'd just like the responsible person you entered previously to receive the notification, click here. Once all of your information is entered, click Save. Now that the initial information is entered, you can view and edit your initial information by clicking the Form Information and Setup tab. Switch over to the Form Builder tab to build your form. Select which fields you would like included in your form. Click on a field or drag and drop the fields to the desired location. To edit the contents of the field, select the Edit button. This will open the available options. Click the required button to prevent anyone from submitting the form unless that field is entered. You can enter a help text in case someone needs a little more information. For multiple choice options, enter the different options you would like to offer at the bottom of the field. If you would like for a field to be only shown to the admins, click the Access box and then Administrator. Click the Save button to save your form. Now you can view your form by selecting the Integration Code tab. From this tab you can grab the integration code if you'd like to add the form to a website. By clicking the first URL, you can see what the form looks like without your logo. Click the second URL for the form with your logo. We'll demonstrate what it looks like for someone to enter their information into the form. We'll now go back to the Web to Lead list and see how many people have submitted their information using this form. We can now move over to the Lead Manager module to see the potential customer's information that was submitted. You can follow these steps to get your leads from different sources.